Leonor Gomez here one more time. Sorry, I've been MIA. Yes, I am sorry. I apologize. I've been a little bit busy with um, my son and my husband, helping them get settled in some things they need to do. But I'm back. So please do me a big, huge favor and subscribe to the channel, give me thumbs up, and turn on the little bell thingy, notification bell, so you can know when I upload more videos and more content and all that good stuff. Okay, so today I'm not gonna make this video very long. Sorry, I washed my hair and it's all over the place. um, Today I want to talk about failures. Um, Failures. Yes, that's a very big word. And I read something today on Facebook, which is true. We shouldn't see it as failures. Sorry. We should see it as experiences. Why? Because we don't fail at anything. Obviously, we just learn from different things how to do them the next time. For example, I decided almost 5 years ago to start online. Okay. And I decided it out of the blue. It was just out of the blue. I wanted something different. I wanted to feel what it was to have a different experience. This is why. I worked years ago in Puerto Rico in the airport. That's what I loved. I love to serve people. I love to work with people at that time. So I worked in the airport because I studied airlines and tourism. Um, but then after that, when I came back to my home state, which is the United States, I became, let's just say, I wasn't as positive as I was when I was in PR. I started letting things that people said get to my head, um, things that people said uh, define me. And that was my mistake. Now, I decided to start online because I wanted to feel empowered. I wanted to have something. Let me just refocus. There you go. I wanted to have something of my own. Yes, I got married. Yes, I had two baby boys. But I felt empty. Okay? And I felt that I needed something more than just being a housewife, a stay-at-home mom, which is fine because some people just like to be a stay-at-home mom and just be a housewife, and that's fine. That's totally amazing. But for me, I was missing something. It doesn't have to do with my husband not helping or none of that. No, he's a great man, so it's not that. And then I started online. I had no idea what I was doing. I started following people, uh, seeing what they were doing. So I made the mistake to get into a few opportunities at the same time. Yeah, a few. When I mean a few. So I tried MLMs, such as Beachbody, but I gotta say, Beachbody was the most amazing experience. Why? Because it did help me lose the weight that I needed to lose when I gave birth to my second son. Because when I gave birth to the first one, I was Still smoking. Okay? Now, when I gave birth to the second one, not so much no more. I know women can relate. So it was a good experience. I tried the business part. Um, it didn't go well because I wasn't doing it well. Because I'm not gonna say, oh no, it was the opportunity. Oh no, it was this. It was me. I wasn't doing it well. I wasn't correct in what I was trying to share, even though I was getting progress and I lost 30 pounds. I lost 30 pounds, which is good. Um, I still couldn't master it. Okay, so I left that because I thought it was that. Then I got on Legal Shield. Mm-mm. Didn't work well because I had to call 50 million people, bother family members and whatever, and that was not me. Okay, so then I got into MWR. I'm not gonna mention all of them because there were a lot, and that one sucked for real. But it was just the way that they present to you. How do you need to present the opportunity to people? And that's where I failed because I don't like to bother people. I don't like to be messaging people every 5 seconds and things like that. But that was my mindset, and having that type of mindset is gonna set you off to not go to where you need to go. Okay. So, what have I learned from all those failures, which were a lot more? But I'm not gonna go because then it's not gonna be a short video. It's gonna be it's gonna be everywhere, and it's not gonna be pretty. What I want to say, if you have failures in your life, just switch it. Switch the mindset to, instead of failures and putting them as failures, switch it and just recognize those failures as life experiences, things that can help you grow, things that can help you understand in the long run. Uh, for example, when I was a kid, I had a rough life. I'm not gonna go into detail because then the video is gonna be like 50 million hours long and it's not pretty. But I understand today that what I lived when I was a child and a teenager helped me become me, helped me become Leonor and understand um who I was. So this is what I want to say today. Don't feel ashamed if you tried 50 million things and failed at it. Look at it as, okay, it didn't go well this time, but it's a milestone and an experience that I have for next time. It didn't go well next time. There's another milestone, another experience that I have for next time. Because all those experiences that we gather throughout the years, months, days, however, it goes or it becomes, helps us um become who we need to be at the precise moment we need to become that person. I believe that everything happens for a reason. I believe that when your time is going to come, it doesn't matter if it rains, snows, hurricanes, uh, tornadoes, it doesn't matter. Your time is going to come. So I like to think of my past experiences as something that helped me grow and understand. Yes, I am human and I still I still make some mistakes. Don't get me wrong, because I'm not perfect. You're not perfect. We are not perfect. We are human. But the mistakes are not as horrible as they were before. Because we still have to make mistakes in life to be able to grow and become what we need to become. Okay? And if it sounds like I'm rambling a little bit, I'm so sorry because, this was improvised and I didn't perfect it like I wanted to. But this is what I think. No matter what you want to do, it doesn't matter what you need to do. If it's an MLM, if it's affiliate marketing, if it's a business that you want to do your own self, a physical business, an online business, um, whatever it is you're trying to achieve, don't give up. If you fall 20 million times, those falls do not count. What counts is getting up 51 million times. So don't give up. You got this. I got this. I still don't know what I am supposed to be doing yet, but I will get there. But now I just want to encourage, I just want to give people things that they can use. So this is why my channel is going to have a little bit of everything. It's going to have a business opportunity. It's going to have um, words of encouragement. And it's going to continue to be like that until I reach as many people as I can. And my goal is to help at least one person a day that my message can reach out to. If I can help one person a day with my message, I'll be more than blessed and grateful for achieving it. So, that was my message for today. I hope I didn't ramble that much. If I did, I am so sorry. I still need to learn a lot. But it will get perfected by time or with time. With time, by time. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. I just want to give a huge shout out um, to my team. I know they're going to be watching this video. So I just want to give a huge shout out to my SSM team. God bless you guys. You're doing amazing and keep killing it. You got this. And yeah, I wish you the best day ever today. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, today is Tuesday. So have a blessed one. Stay safe. Please subscribe, like, share, and put that little bell thingy so you can know when I put a video. And God bless. Bye-bye.